Making an appointment at the hair salon.
Hi, welcome to Bright Cut Salon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Welcome. We're happy to have you. How did you hear about us?
My friend told me. She said the stylists here are great.
That's wonderful to hear. We opened 5 years ago, and we love new clients. Did you find parking easily?
Yes, there is a small parking lot behind the building.
Perfect. And it is free for our clients, by the way.
Oh, that's good to know. Thank you.
So, tell me a little about your hair. What are you looking for today?
My hair is quite long right now, and I want something shorter and easier to manage.
Do you have a specific style in mind?
Not exactly. I was thinking maybe something like this photo.
Let me see. Oh, that's a nice style. Short on the sides, longer on top.
Yes, exactly like that.
Great choice. So, we're talking about a haircut. Would you also like any color?
Yes, actually. Maybe some highlights too.
Do you want a full color or just highlights?
Just highlights, please. Nothing too dramatic.
Understood. Light highlights around the top and front, then?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Would you also be interested in a deep conditioning treatment? It is very popular with new highlight clients.
What does that include?
It is a special mask that keeps your hair healthy after coloring. It only takes 15 extra minutes.
Sure, let's add that too.
Great choice. Your hair will thank you later. Do you have a stylist in mind, or should I recommend one?
I do not have a preference. Who do you recommend?
Marco is excellent with highlights. He is very popular. We also have Sophia, who specializes in short haircuts.
Since I want both a haircut and highlights, who would you suggest?
I would recommend Marco. He does both very well.
Perfect. Let's book with Marco.
Let me explain the prices. A haircut is $35.
Okay.
Highlights are $40, and the deep conditioning treatment is $10.
So the total is $85?
Exactly right. $85 for all 3 services.
That sounds fair.
Let me check Marco's schedule. What day works best for you?
Is he available this Monday?
Let me see. Monday is fully booked, I am afraid.
What about Tuesday?
Tuesday is also busy. He only has evening slots left.
I cannot do evenings. What about Wednesday?
Wednesday is completely full too. He is very popular this week.
Is he available this Thursday?
Let me see. Thursday is fully booked. How about Friday?
Friday works for me.
Wonderful. Friday it is. Great. Marco has 2 open time slots on Friday, 11 o'clock in the morning, or 3 o'clock in the afternoon?
Which one do you recommend?
The afternoon slot usually has fewer people, so it is more relaxing.
I will take 3 o'clock in the afternoon, please.
Perfect. 3 o'clock in the afternoon it is. A haircut with highlights and a treatment takes about 2 hours.
2 hours. That's fine. I have time.
Great. You will finish around 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Sounds good to me.
How would you like to pay? We accept cash, credit card, or mobile payment.
I will pay by credit card.
No problem. We also ask for a $20 deposit to confirm the booking.
No problem. I can pay that now.
Thank you. I will process that deposit right away. By the way, would you like to join our loyalty program? You get 10% off after 5 visits.
That sounds great. How do I sign up?
I just need your email address, and I will add you to the program today.
My email is alex.turner@mail.com.
Perfect. You're all signed up. Great. Can I also get your name and phone number for the appointment?
My name is Alex Turner. My number is 714-555-0123.
Let me repeat that. 714-555-0123. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Please arrive 10 minutes early to fill out a short form.
No problem. Should I bring anything?
Just yourself. But if you have a reference photo, feel free to bring it too.
Great. I will bring the photo on my phone.
Do you know how to get here, or would you like directions?
I have the address, but is there a landmark nearby?
Yes, we are right next to the Blue Coffee Shop on Main Street.
Perfect. That's easy to find.
Wonderful. You are all set for Friday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon with Marco. We will send a reminder text the day before.
Great. Thank you. What if I need to reschedule?
Just call us at least 24 hours in advance and we'll change the appointment for free.
And if I am late?
If you are more than 15 minutes late, we may need to shorten the service, so please try to be on time.
Understood. I will be on time.
Perfect. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I think that's everything. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. We look forward to seeing you Friday.
See you then. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Pause the video. Review the vocabulary. Read each word aloud. Then watch the dialogue again.